Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning to you all of my SMPNs of class 5. How are you all doing, guys? Yes, I can see Ahmed, Maha Mushtaba, and Ilsa Tanzir, Afan. Everyone is here. Good to see you. Yes, beta. Okay, everyone is here. Okay, Hafsa Amer. Yes, Aliza Khan. I will appreciate. Yes. How are you all doing, guys? You are celebrating the blessing of this holy month of Ramzan. Okay? Are you listening me? Happy Ramzan, beta. So we should start our Amna Sham. What happened to you? Yes? Okay. So we should start our lecture today. I'm going to share the screen. Yes, this is my screen. Okay. Okay, guys. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. I welcome all of you in my English class. And today we are having our English language class. Okay, again. Guys, this is the last day of this week of English language class. Almost we have done all of our syllabus, the topics that are included in our English language syllabus. Like composition, letter we have done, application, subject and verb, agreement, subject and object, tenses, all indefinite, all continuous. Okay, so I'm sure you are getting preparation and you are doing preparation of all. Okay, so yes, what? Okay, okay, guys, okay. Alina Abid, walaikum assalam, beta. Now, this is our English language class. I already told you, and I have planned that I have done, I believe, but most of you were absent on that day. That's why I have planned again a very short topic, a very interesting topic that is present participles. Okay, so now we will do our topic present participle, and then I will make you do some passive voices by yourself. You will write, you will change yourself passive voice. I'm not going to tell you how to change active into passive. So first, let me explain present participle. I told you guys many times what are present participle in our class. So, what are present participle? The present participle is often referred to our often referred to as the ing form of the verb. Like you have learned V1 means first form of verb. You have done V2, you have learned also. If you did not learn yet, so please learn the forms of verb V1, V2, V3. And now you can say the fourth form of the verb is present participle. When we add ing with V1. Guys, you always heard V1 ing. You never heard V2 ing. Like you cannot say or you do not say holding or founding or you can say venting. So we always say going. Go, ing becomes going, talking, leaving, writing, reading. Have you ever heard roting? WROTING. So always we use ing with V1. Guys, these present participles sometimes is used or are used as an adjective. Okay, these present participle or past participle are used as an adjective also. So first let me explain what is present participle, then I will tell you what is past participle. Okay? So for example, the sun was shining, so I went for a walk. The sun was shining. It is a past continuous tense. Mostly present participle are used in continuous tenses. In present continuous, in past continuous, or in future continuous. Like in past continuous, I have used the sun was shining. Now, the teacher is speaking English. The teacher is speaking English. Okay. So you can, wait. So the man is speaking English is our teacher. The man is speaking English. Here, the verb is speaking is a present participle. Okay. Like you can say, we will be going. We were swimming. So V1 ing is used in continuous, all continuous tenses, either present, past, and future continuous. Like, okay, now the participle, just participle. I told you present participle. Now the verb form used as an adjective, two kinds. Present participles end in ing and past participle end in d or ed. Means past participle is past participles are used as V3, that is called V3. Like you can say go, went, gone. But gone is not past participle. When we add V, ed or d, changed, change, change is V1 and past participle is changed. We add here ed. Some past participles may be irregular. You can learn later. Okay? So now here is your English language book, Nelson Grammar, page number 22. So please take it out. English language book, page number, yes, 22. Present participle. The present participle always ends in ing, I told you, like go, going, talk, talking, sleep, sleeping. It is used to make the present continuous tense, to describe an action which is still going on. You know very well in continuous tenses, the action is going on in the present time or in past time or in the future time. For examples, Sadi and Zari are playing records. So playing here is present participle. And the past continuous tense is made by putting the auxiliary verb into the past time. Like it was raining when we left home. Are you taking out the book? Yes. Yes, ma, Mujtaba. Okay. Yes. Ask me. What do you want to ask? I have given the access of unmute. Maham. Yes. Okay. Muniba, what do you want to ask, Peter Muniba Yasser? Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Assalamualaikum, Miss. Miss, page number.
Page number 22, beta. Page number 22 in your English language book. You have done
Okay,
actually exercise it, but I will make you do in different way.
Okay.
Okay? So, in your book, present and past participle can be used as adjectives like sitting room. Sitting here is a present participle, but it is used as an adjective. Like drawing room, you can say. Yes. What? Alina Abed, walaikum assalam, beta. Okay, now Amna Sham. Amna Sham, do you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, my dear. Amna Hasham. Alina Abid, yes. Oh, Alina Abid. Excused me. Okay. So, guys, present participle, you will able to say that present participle is V1 ing. V1 ing is also called present participle, and here in this example, sitting room is used as an adjective, drawing room. Okay. Now, polished floor. Polished is here not present participle, but it is a past participle. And polished floor is used, polished here, as an adjective, right? So we will do the exercise, write the present participle of these verbs. Okay. So I will show you. Like the boy is drawing, the boy is reading, the man is running, the dog is chasing after the man. So here in all the examples, V1 ing is used as a present participle, right? Now take out your copy, maintain the index, write the date, present participle, page number 22. And today's classwork is changed into passive voice. I made you learn, I made you do passive voice, all indefinite, present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite, okay? Have you done, beta? Write in chat box, please. Have you done index? Okay, okay, Khizra, yes, very good. Minahil Asif, miss 2 minutes. Minahil, hurry up. Okay, it's very easy. You have to write just 2 lines. Present participle, page number 22, and change into passive voice. Okay? Now, on the next page, you will write the heading on the red line, and that is present participle. Okay, Taha, you have done. Minahil, very good. Mohammad Hassan, why, beta? Why didn't you do? I'm showing you again. Yes, this is the index. Present participle, page number 22, change into passive voice. Okay. Yes, I'm showing you index, my dear. What do you want to say, Ahmad Mujtaba, Muhammad Mujtaba, and Alina Abid? Yes, Alina? Unmute yourself.
Miss, we make a title page. We
Yes.
make a title page.
Sorry, I can't hear. Yeah, beta? Alina? Say again, my dear. Unmute yourself.
Miss, we make a title page.
No, my dear. No, no need to make the title page. Just we have to do one exercise in different way. And we have already done present participle. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Mas Farooq, what's the hurry, beta? Okay, now present participle, right? heading on the red line, present participle, write the definition. Present participle is always ends in ing. It is used to make present continuous tense. Be particular about the spelling of continuous tense. I always used to say it. Continuous, right? Present continuous tense. You need to write this definition, okay? Now, example. I should write here examples, but I have written mistakenly examples. So write here examples because I have written here 3 examples. Okay? So, Zaki and I were playing. Which tense is this? Yes, which tense is this? I will ask. Zaki and I. Ashar Ali. Yes, Ashar. Can you tell me, please? Which tense is this? Hafsa Amir. Unmute yourself, my dear. Everyone. I'm
Yes,
giving.
miss.
Which tense is this, Hafsa? Zaki and I were playing. Yeah, hurry up.
Miss, you unmuted me.
Okay, Hafsa Amir.
No, Ashar Ali.
Okay, sure. I'm giving the X's. No, beta, I have given the X's.
Okay, miss.
Yes, beta, Ashar Ali. Which tense is this Zaki and I were playing?
Miss, this is past.
Which past? Which past?
Past particle.
No,
Participle.
not
participle.
past participle is not a tense. I'm talking about and I'm asking about you the tense. Which tense is this?
Continuous.
Which continuous?
Past continuous.
Very good. Past continuous. Because we are using here were. Was and were are used in past continuous. Now, yes, Alina Abid. What happened, beta? Ask me. Yes, Alina. So, we don't have much time. Now, you are telling truth. You are telling the truth. You are telling the truth. So here, telling is present participle. And which tense is this? This is present indefinite. So please write in margin, as I did not write the tense. Write in margin, which tense is this? So write here past continuous, and you are telling the truth, present continuous. And now the third one is we will be reaching home early. So here reaching is present participle and this tense is future continuous. Okay? This is future continuous tense. Now guys, what to do? Now write exercise A. Exercise A. You have done this exercise just making the present participle like show and showing. Now today the question is make sentences using following present participle. Now you need to make sentence. Now you have to make the sentences by using these present participle. Okay, I have selected 5 of them. So write in your copy, just write the exercise. Ahmad Mustafa. Yes. I have given access of unmute. Unmute yourself. Yes. Khizra Ali. Now, Khizra, please ask me what you want to ask. Khizra.
Miss, nothing.
Okay, nothing, but you are raising your hands.
Miss, वो आप sentence
You have raised the hand, that's why I have asked. Okay, now exercise A, make sentences, write the question. Now, who is this? Hafsa Nawal. Yes, Hafsa Nawal. I've given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself.
मिस एक्सरसाइज ए में जो लिखा हुआ है शो स्वयं होल्ड वॉच वे इन सब के सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं
I will appreciate if you speak English, my dear. This is your English class, not Urdu. Yes, you have to
टीचर
make the sentences using the following present participle. I have selected from exercise A 5 of them. Show, swim, hold. What is this?
गेटिंग ing in the ends
Yes, first you will make present participle, then use these participle in your sentences. Like I'm telling you one, show, 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 it becomes showing, showing. Now it becomes present participle, showing. I'm showing you my beautiful dress. Or we were showing them our new house. Or you will be showing me your work. So first make present participle and then use the sentence. Use in your sentence these present participle like swim. But whenever we make swim present participle, it becomes swimming and its spelling is SWIMMING. Okay? So swimming, it becomes swimming. Okay? So use swimming in your sentence. Yes. Yes, Minahil, you will write the question with blue color pencil, draw a column. First, make present participle. Show means showing, swim becomes swimming, hold becomes holding, watch becomes watching, and wear becomes wearing. Now write the sentences yourself. Okay? Everyone is writing. Have you done? Yes. Yes, Minahil. Why are you not understanding? This is not very typical. Just write the question, write exercise A, question, make sentences using following present participle. Then draw a column, how to write the sentences, how to do the word sentences. Just draw a column, write showing. Show became showing. Now showing and then make the sentence. I told you 3 sentences. You can write your own sentence. As you do in your literature work, word sentences, you need to do like this. Can you repeat why I am showing you slides? Okay, the words are show, swim, hold, watch, and wear. First, these sentences should be changed into present participle, then make the sentences. Then it should be used in your own sentences. I have given you examples. Okay, Amna Sham. Wait, beta. Amna Hasham. Yes, beta. Amna Sham, I've given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself and ask me. Yeah.
Miss, do we have to do the exercise A from the examples?
Why not? But you
After
can, now
examples
you are able to write your own
from the same page.
sentences. Why from the examples? No, it should be different from examples.
And Miss, can we do the exercise on the same page
Yes, sure.
on which we have read
Yes, you
examples?
can do. And or you can use the another page for drawing the column, and first draw the column and make the present participle and write the sentences against of each words.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Done, my dear. Just five words are there, my class. Show, swim, hold, watch, wearing. Now, next page. Turn on the next page. If you have done the present participle, what? Okay. Taha. Okay, Taha. Yes, Taha, please. What do you want to say?
Miss, I don't understand how to do it.
That's what I was. I was surprised that why don't you understand, beta? First, write me. Let me show the screen. Present participle. You have written the heading of present participle on red line. Okay. Then you will do the definition. You will write the definition. Then you will write the examples. Here I have written 3 examples. So you will write the 3 examples. Then on the same page, if you are having the place, if you don't have the place, turn on the page, write on the red line exercise A and write the question as you always do. You are not doing first time. Question, make sentences using following present participle. Then what to do? Draw a column. Okay. Now write the word show, but you will make it present participle, showing. And now write the sentence, what you want to make the sentence against of show. Means as you do in your English literature work, word sentences, you do always. Yes. Yes, Amna, we will do active voice, passive voice. Okay, Taha, are you getting it? Have you gotten?
Yes, Miss, I got it, but I can't see the words that you shown below. My screen is not showing it.
Okay, I tell you. Show, first, the first word is show. Write show. Okay. Now, the next word is swim. Swim, but it becomes swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Now, the third word is holding. HOLD, hold, ING, holding. Watch, watching, watch, watching, wear, wearing. Right, Taha? Have you written, my dear?
Yes, I have written.
Okay. So write the sentence. Now, guys, active voice, passive voice. Okay, hurry up. We don't have much time. Now write 15, 4, 21, active, passive voices. Active, passive voices. We have done present, past, future indefinite tense. write 3 structures of active voice as we have already written many times. Subject plus V1 SES plus object, subject plus V2 plus object, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. And now write the 3 structure of passive voices. I made you guys for you on one page so that you can understand and you will be able to comprehend easily or vividly. I have written all 3 structure of active voice and then I have written all 3 structures of passive voices. Object is MRV3 plus by plus subject, you know very well. And object was were plus V3 plus by plus subject. And object plus will be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Now, you have to do this work on one page. Now, turn on the page and then you will do the work. What to do? Now, write the date. Today is 15. So write 15. Active, passive voices. Now question
Miss,
is,
did we have to write the structure that you showed us?
yes, on one page. That's
Miss,
why I have,
can you show it again? I haven't done writing it.
okay. Write fast. Hurry up, write fast. And now the work is, my dear, active voice, passive voices, change into passive voice. I have written here 4 sentences of active voice. And now you will change into passive voice yourself. Number 1, you can see on the screen, number 1, active. We will plan a picnic the next week. Change into passive voice. You can write in the chat box. We will plan a picnic the next week. Full stop. Okay, yes. Yes, Alina. Unmute yourself, Alina. If you want to ask.
Miss,
Yes. Do you want to ask? Yes.
Miss, please tell me the sentence of holding.
Holding? No, I'm not going to tell you. Please. Write yourself. Holding is very easy. I'm holding my bag as light as feather. You can use simile also. I am holding.
Miss, please show the voices, the structure.
Okay, beta, just write first the sentences. Then I will show. Leave the page if you did not write. So first write the sentences that you need to change into passive voice. Okay, Malahim. Okay, beta. Where is Malahim? Where? Yes, Malahim. Yes, Malahim. I have given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself, my dear.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes, beta.
Miss, I have completed this work in the previous class. Present passive voice of present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. Should I
Yes.
write again?
Yes, on one page. That I had made you write on the different pages, one page, one tense.
Yes.
But now I have written over here so that you can understand in one glance. So you should write 3 structure of active and 3 structures of passive on the one page, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So she bakes a cake for the party every month because it is our present indefinite tense. It becomes a routine. So we write here, or sorry, I write here every month. She bakes a cake for the party every month. It becomes a routine for her. Now she arranged a meeting last month for her customers. She arranged. V2 means past indefinite. Which one you were doing it? Hafsa Nawal. Miss, please, what happened, Amna Sham? Okay, beta, I will show you again. I will show you again. Yes, Hafsa. Where is Hafsa? Yes, Hafsa. I've given the access of unmute. Please unmute yourself.
Miss, can you show the second last page? It means one page backward.
Yeah,
The
sure.
structure.
Sure. Just write it. Have you written the sentences? All the sentences that you need to change into passive voices. That's why I have shown here. So I will show the previous page. She arranged a meeting last month for her customer. My mother teaches me the great lessons. Here the object is plural. Okay? The great lessons. So I'm showing you the previous page on demand. So active passive voices, present, past, future, indefinite tense. I have written here 3 structures of active voices. And then I have written the 3 structure of passive voices. And you know very well, guys, without helping verb, helping or auxiliary verb, we cannot make a passive voice. Helping verb as well as V3. And V3 is also called past participle. Past participle. Yes, I know only 4 minutes are left. Fizra, have you done your work? Yes or no, write it. Okay, I'm showing you last active voice. Okay, Shahzeb, I'm showing you, beta, wait. Ilsa, have you written, my dear? I have just given you 4 sentences, but write it correctly. Change it correctly into passive voice from active. What Amna no, miss? Okay, Ahmed Mujtaba, Maha Mujtaba done. Ilsa Tanzil, I'm waiting for your chat. My mother teaches me the great lessons. Here, the object is plural. I'm saying again and again. So use auxiliary verb or helping verb according to the object.